Hey there guys, my name is Marcus. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on what you can do if your JBL Clip 4 speaker won't turn on and how to fix it. So the first thing is that I encourage you to do is try to use different charging cables if it's going to be drained out. So different charging cables with the USB-C ending, and also try to wait even like 2-3 hours. Maybe it needs to be like fully charged. That's just idea. Another thing that you can do is that you can just hold for the soft reset. You can hold the Bluetooth button with the plus. So when I'm going to hold it together, I'm going to perform a soft reset. So try to do that. Maybe it's going to work also. And now the reset was finished. So this is another thing that you can do. So let me know down in the comments what helped you to turn it on. Maybe try different adapter, different outlet, different USB port. Also, you can try a different, how it's called, cable, and maybe with a hard reset. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.